Hello there, and I'm coming at you guys today with a super quick tutorial on how I like to finish styling my clients. Always starting off with a heat protectant, I used Olaplex NO9 today, and we are using a 1 1/4 inch Bioionic curling iron. In the back here, we're gonna curl in opposite directions, leaving a little bit of those ends out, and you can smooth them with a flat iron if you want to. And as we release those curls, we are pulling and twisting at the same time, and that's really what's gonna give it a softer vibe. Now, I always like to keep the curls closest to the face, away from the face, but I will sometimes split it up into two sections and still curl opposite directions just to give it a little bit more movement. Using Schwarzkopf texture spray and Redken hairspray here for my finish, and just zhuzhing that out to give it some volume and body and oomph. If you do not use texture spray yet, please do. It'll change your life, I promise. And voila, now your client feels like the Pinterest picture that they showed you with these gorgeous cutesy curls. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more tutorials.